I'm teaching myself how to program in C, so I figured I'd make a tutorial while I'm learning. Alright, Hello World program's kind of boring, so I found this cool program on the internet. What it does is it converts decimal to binary. Alright, let's get started. Alright, the first part of the program, you declare your variables, in a print state, printf and scanf. Enter a number, it scans it, and it puts the number into n. Okay? And then we have the for loop. C equals 8, increments down by 1 until it gets to 0. And this would be the output. Let me show you the output. I'll show it to you here. Okay. Here we go. XX. Alright, save it. Let's compile it. Okay, and let's run it. Alright, we use 36. And as you can see, it increments down by 1 from 8 to 0. Alright, let's get back into the program. Alright, now the next part of the program is K equals N right shift C. Alright, now I want to show you what this does. Okay, now what it does is the N is a number that we entered. Okay, and C is the increment, from 8 down to 0. Alright, now I have an example down here. Alright, line 21. Alright, and let me set this so we can see the numbers. Okay, line 21. Okay, you can see the number is 5. Okay, so what happens is it takes the number that we enter, which is n, which is 36 in binary form, which is 100100, and it shifts the ones over 5 places. Okay, shift this one over 5 places. 5 places don't exist, so then that one disappears. It'll shift this one over 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that becomes binary 1. Alright, and let me show you the output of that. Let's go down here. Alright, let me uncomment this. Alright, WQ. Alright, now, I'm kind of lazy, so I'll show you a shortcut, so you don't have to keep typing in GCC. And we'll call it G. Alright, and here we go. $1 $1.C. Alright, we'll save it. Change permissions to make it executable. Alright. Okay. Now let's try it out. Alright, compiled it. Now let's run the program. Alright, 36. And as you can see, it pretty much divides the number in half. 36, 18, 9. 9 can't be divided in half equally, so it uses 4, 2, then 1. Let's run it again. I'll use a different number so you can see the pattern better. Alright, we'll use, let's see, 64. And as you can see, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Alright, let's go back into the program. Alright. Now the next part of the program, or the last part, is the printf. And what I did here is I created a variable L, and I made it equal k and 1, so we can see. So we can see it I can print it out so I can show you, you know, what's going on here. Okay. Let me comment this. All right. Uncomment this. All right. All right. Let's compile it. Run it. Type in 36. And as you can see, it prints the binary form of 36 in a vertical fashion, 100100. Alright, now let me show you what's going on with the K and 1. We have our example here. Okay, now what it does is it takes K. You know, let me set the line. Okay, we'll do line 24. Okay, it takes K, you know, which is 9. Okay, so then it takes the binary form of 9, which is 1001, then the binary form of 1, which is 0001. Okay, and it drops to 1. Okay, you know, 000, 0, you know, so on, 10. Now you need 2 1s in order to drop a 1, so we just make that a 0. Okay, so now that equals binary 1. Okay, and it just loops through, and it does it, you know, for all of these numbers here. Okay, and, you know, so the print statement, you know, if K and 1, print 1, else print 0. You know, it just loops through, compares all the numbers, and if it equals binary 1, you know, prints 1 and else 0. Alright, and let me show you how this program works. Alright, let's go up here. Alright, let me uncomment this. Alright, let's go down here. And I'll comment this. Uncomment this. Alright, now we'll run a program. Compile it. Now let's run it. We'll type in 36. And there you go. Binary form of 36. 100100. Alright. And if I did anything wrong, let me know. Oh yeah, and before I go, this dude right here created a cool video. You know, he did a good job explaining bitwise operators. You know, it's you know, if you want to understand it, you know, it's a good video to watch.